Now we introduce how to use Maintop6. When you finish install Maintop6 in the root file, find DTP, then find this logo or this logo can show on your desk. Double click, then it will choose UV6 version. Then click File to install the ICC file printer setup. Then click Install. Click Customer. Then find the file in your CD. The CD we normally have a file. Such as for color, you can see ICC Maintop UVDA for color. Then click here, open it, then it will choose. We suggest to rename it UV for color or flat. This name assure which you can send, then set as default printer. Then each time when you open Maintop, it will choose this ICC auto. Then click here to new. This can ignore OK directly. Then file again, import picture. Find the picture in your computer you want to print. Normally we suggest for TIFF or for RGB mask for CMYK mode. For all the picture, you can choose both. Then open it. Then this is the two picture you want to. Then you can setting the size you want to. For example, I want to size as A4 size here for 20. Then constraint proportions. Then it will the same. Okay, same as this one. Right click, frame attribution. Then set as 20 as your want to printing size. Correction here. Okay. Then the two picture you can choose all of them. Then find this to alignment them, top and the gaps, and also it's okay. Then finish them, choose all to group them. Then you can see here is the whole group size 41 and 29. If you want to return them, change the position, then click input the date here and it will change 180 degrees. Then click page setup in here. The page set must larger than the printing size 41 in here, and the 20 I can set 30, a little larger than here 41 80. Okay, then you can right click, select all, then use this middle, make them middle of them, then finish. We can print. Then here properties, very important to set SCC. For this is the resolution we must choose. For UV, it's better suggest for up than 6 passes. For echo solvent, 4 passes, 3 passes, as your wishes. Right now we choose UV for 6 passes, and the size is auto set pages. And the printing out by TCP/IP or a file is okay. In here, printing colors, if you choose this one, then click here, this part, you can setting each color's ink density. But normally we suggest as default. It's okay, no need to change it. Then in here, ink, you can choose for 4 color or 6 color in your printers. Right now we are 4 colors, so only CMYK. If you have the white or varnish in your UV printer, then you in your UV pictures, you can choose CMYK plus spot W1 and W2. W1 means wet varnish spot channel. W2 means varnish spot channel. If your picture have one, then you can choose. If your picture don't have, it can ignore directly. Then this mode, you can choose white. Means if have white, it will printing auto. If without, it won't. This full means if you want to printing all the picture with white as full, then choose this. We normally suggest this is okay. If you are echo solvent, all these choices haven't it, you can ignore this. Then in here for UV, it's very important. You must choose 2-layer base as white. And here, then this have also printing media as resolution. This one must same as the above one resolution. So if this you choose for 100, 1800, this must same. Now it's 2160. Here must the same or not. The size of the printing picture color all will different. Then if this way okay, then you can click here printing file. If you want to do in the mirror in here, you can set it. Print to file, then rename it. You can see this file is PRN file. This file type is can known by all the control software. Save it, it's okay. If you want to do TCP/IP, then you have to do another things. In the root file, in here, choose MON, this file. Then empty MON, double click. In here, manage it, config port, TCP/IP port, then edit 127.0.0.1. Very important for this date. Then choose this one or OK. Then check it. It will choose 91000 means OK. Then you click OK. It will choose this. When finish this setting, you must restart your computer and the printers to make it can work. When you finish this, in the next time, when you do TCP/IP, means you can finish RAP, can click print directly. Then you can print directly.